push on the comfort zone. I just don't want to push past the comfort zone. I think it's going to be up. There's going to be a lot of people today. Because if you look at the trail schedule, all the good stuff has been shut down for today, tomorrow, and Saturday. We'll see. All the other groups are also starting at like 9 and 10, so we might get lucky to be the first ones on it. I'm not trying to take you guys on like a Pritchett Canyon level trail, but it's one of those trails that erodes fast, and with all the weather, we just don't know. That's why I was asking if everybody has working winches. So as long as you're comfortable being like drug out of the water like a fish, then we should all have a great day. We're here with Nitto. We are doing Steel Bender. Beautiful morning after all the rain we've got the last couple days, and couldn't ask to be with a better group of people. This I knew was a pretty good drop. I've done this trail before, but it's rutted out considerably more than last time I was here. And so we're gonna do a group decision. We're gonna see how everybody feels. Because anybody that's uncomfortable, we can throw a winch line on them, make sure that they're good all the way down or whatever. But I just wanna make sure I'm not pushing anybody beyond their comfort zone. Okay, I wanna push on the comfort zone. I just don't wanna push past the comfort zone.
And is this past the comfort zone, do you think?
I think we're gonna find out. We need more than a deep sigh though. Now that everybody's seen me do it, I wanna make sure everybody's comfortable. We can still turn around. I feel like everybody's scared to say that they're scared.
What I'm thinking is I'm going to take my mom. She's in a LJ, so she's got some pretty short wheelbase and she's really light in the back. So coming off that, her butt would go like this, and I would like to avoid that. Good. Stay right there. Right there.
To go down this without flipping. That's my game plan so far. Keeping it contained. I'm sure once I start sliding down, then the fear will kick in, but we'll see what we got going on. Wasn't nervous at all.
It's not making it look so easy.
Right?
What was that?
That wasn't bad.
When you pre-salivate in your mouth prior to throwing
Pre-salivate?
Yeah,
Is that what
like
you just
I
said?
was-
Yeah, that was her word of the day. She wanted to work that in.
That's insane.
Probably going to be like a little bit of a rodeo. Short wheelbase, soft leaf springs, no weight in the bed, already rigged.
We doing good? Looks like we're good. For the people who saw me or heard me.
Oh, no, sir.